Welcome to Trex Academy, where you can learn everything you need to know about building your deck project. In this video, we'll show you how to install Trex Enhance steel stair railing panels. Trex Enhance steel railing panels are designed to be attached with posts installed at a clear span of 6 or 8 feet. The Enhanced steel stair railing panels come in 6 and 8 foot lengths with 36 and 42-inch railing height. For stair installations, use a 53-inch stair post. Post can be cut to desired height once final railing height is established. Ensure adequate space for post cap to fit properly. The tools required for proper installation include minimum 18-volt drill with T25 bit, tape measure, pencil, rubber mallet, clamp, and a circular saw with a metal blade. Install post directly above required blocking. To get started, use a 1-inch deck board as a spacer board and lay this on the stair treads between the posts. Stair panels come perpendicular and will need to be racked to match post angle. Place racked stair panel on top of the deck board. Ensure that balusters are straight and positioned with equal spacing at post locations, and clamp stair panel to posts. Leave adequate space on each side of rails, from post to baluster, to allow for attachment to brackets. Line up bracket with top and bottom railing. Mark a light line on post above swivel base. Center stair brackets on post below the marked line and attach using 2 provided number 12 by 3/4 inch self-drilling screws. In some instances, you'll need to use a 90-degree adapter when attaching brackets to lower post. In those cases, mounting base plate first is recommended. Clamp railing back in place at the earlier established position. Mark top and bottom rails where they align with the rear wall of the top and bottom brackets. Remove panel and place on flat surface. Stair panel can be unracked if necessary for ease of cutting. Extend your marks to side of rails. Brackets are designed to allow for railing to be installed with a standard perpendicular cut. Cut end of rails 1/16 inch shorter than mark on each side to allow for a better fit. It's recommended to paint any cut ends with approved paint for exterior steel surfaces. Once panel has been cut to size, attach stair panel to swivel brackets using 1 provided number 12 by 3/4 inch self-drilling screw on one side of each stair bracket. Brackets are designed to allow screw on either side. Customer may choose side based on preference and/or ease of installation location. To attach bracket covers, gently spread and then snap corresponding bracket covers over opening in upper and bottom rails. Next, you'll attach provided post skirt to bottom of post. To complete your project, install post caps. Use of rubber mallet may be required for secure attachment. For more videos on how to install Trex products, visit trex.com/academy. Thanks for watching.